So folks, duly, we are being challenged to make 2 attempts each at 3 marked spots to roll 2 bowling balls into the bunny's mouth. Who will be crowned bunny champ? Well, let's go. I'm going to send my colleague to go first.
No.
You want me to go first?
I want you to go first.
All right.
Although, based on your rehearsal. No. All right, that's not bad. I like that. All right, so we have to stay all the way here, or we can stay closer, because I can't really. All right, so I'm gonna do this. Blowing on it for good luck. Sorry, that one fell. That was an accident, so I'm just gonna take my shot again.
No man, that's great luck. Blow at it again. Blow at it again. That's great. Now, where you going, bud? What's going on with that?
You know, and people don't even know that you got one right off the bat when you were rehearsing.
Yeah, but and I get one right. Hold on. Fix up, sir or lady bunny.
All right, come on. Come. Big money. But I understand. All right, I'm gonna change the ball. I wanna. You say no, you follow me over that side. You're getting worse. I'm rub off on you. All right. Yeah, cause you see, I'm sciencing it out. Physics. So it's going that way. So I'm gonna go like this. It's closer to the box though. That's something.
That looks like very physics. Very physics. Watch this one closely, folks. You're never going to see nothing like this in your life.
No. My bad man, yeah. Sorry.
So you're actually no.
I don't want to lose.
I must get a prize for all.
Where's the other one? Thanks. I have 2. Thank you. All right.
Actually, try from that one.
Right.
I'm sorry, Phil. No, man, you win.
That is worse. I feel like I'm getting worse as it goes along.
All right, so
increase
here the maths now. The maths say, because we do it slow, it start moving. We do it a little faster, maybe it don't have no time to swerve. That is the maths.
That's pretty good.
That is the maths.
Whoa.
That is the maths. Your time. And that was from the distance, by the way. No, actually, man. Actually.
Who came up with this game? Is it Shane?
Or the producer?
All right, Shane. Or is either Shane or Kadeen?
Go ahead.
These are number. All right, come on, don't laugh. That one wasn't that bad. Come on. That's pretty bad.
Oh, man. I got it, man.
Take it 2 at a time?
I got it, man.
All right, come. 1.
You don't
Can't lose any.
You're down 1.5 to 0.
I'm getting to the box. I'm proud.
Let me try from your spot.
No. Hey.
Soup.
All right. That's 2-0.
That is 2.5.
Why am I at -2? Why am I at -2?
2.5 nil.
Come on. Almost. And you know I'm really obsessive, so I'm not gonna be able to stop. Jeez,
Let me try your ball.
No, seriously. Take it. Let me see. All right, come. Big money.
Little money. Almost, man. It's the pace of the race. It's the pace.
So faster,
Yeah.
not slower. All right, come on, come on. That's pretty good. Closest so far. All right, come. You try this one.
Done. She love.
Yeah,
She love. Well, leave it, because we'll swerve round it and put some English on it. Turn up.
All right, let me see if the white ball is easier. Come on. One, just one. Just one.
All right, now this is the last one of the game, folks. We could very well end up getting 4-0. Very well end up getting 4-0 this morning.
Seriously?
Thank you very much. Just want to thank my parents and everybody in my community. Gonna go for a break. Of course, you can play this at home with the long weekends. It's easy to make and it's fun. Soon come back. Stay with us, please.
Seriously?